July in som thum sang hi som ni paruk ania Iran hian in Kuwait ram United States sipai te hi be atum ni na lang amaro chu Chinese building a kap fu dei mai ni Chinese mi le sa pakhat la thizui ha a common law mai mai China hian in Iran hi atan pui boxi eng tiang taka atan pui nge eng tiang taka atan pui nge eng tiang takin nge atan pui chu ka se chuang lawa amaro chu Chinese te hian in Iran hi chon atan pui chiang te hi chu United States lampang te pon an soyan soi kha he chu kan thria ni ho a common law kho mai Iran hi an che fu law rem kho mai he thi lai hian in riak phot mai
Kuwait's
dang
Ministry of Defense, meanwhile, says an Iranian strike there has hit a building in the country's north. In a statement, the
country's north nge Kuwait mar lama tinan mo tro ta hian in Iran hian in missile ani ka ring missile manga ka ani ka ring missile manga ka ba han tong sun missile mangina be ani ka ring Iran hian mo
the ministry spokesperson said Iranian aggression targeted a building belonging to a Chinese company in the north of the country.
Iran ahan accurate lo me Iran missile po tu lela ma jan video masala mate enge kha kai bar shekhan Iran missile bonturu US na Israel te dan thailo te ka kan han te kan lo react vel to amaro chu hei Iran hianin an be tum lo deu an ka fu tum ni lo Chinese building Chinese company ta Kuwait mar lama om hi lo ka fu ringot mai ani
resulting in the death of one worker and causing significant material damage to the building.
Ani reang chu missile phangin kap miolom building chena sa viong chu mo anei tu te Chinese han ni phei chuanin China chuanin kan riat mi lo hian aruk te pon nga tinge kaima ni ram company building in loka te po anti ve mai the ni Iran bula hian Chinese ne Iran te hi chu tangdun nge tu ran United States at hey ral thua mangin dole lo po ni se China hian in direct in dole ngam lo po ni se hetiang hian in ram dang kal tang hian in indirect deu hian in US chu abe don ti chu chiang ve a chuanin Thawktu pakhat thibok ani azia lo khop mai nuna chan om hi chuanin a poi shrim shima amaro chu indo na hi chuanin nuna chan hi chunia a om lo thei lo ani top mai te ani do miawa ni kap miawa mo ta hian in amaro chu tunami hi apoi mo big na chu China le Iran te hi in thian tha kan ngai kha ni amaro chu Iran hi te hen lo che sual pal lo maya.
Let's go to Victoria Gatenby live here in Doha. So what are we hearing about this latest attack from the Kuwaiti authorities?
Qatar, Doha, Changino, live report ngai chang.
Well, we've had a statement from the official spokesman for the Kuwait's Ministry of Defense.
Kuwait's Ministry of Defense, an official spokesperson Changin.
Which they say a building was targeted by Iran. That building was Chinese owned. It doesn't say in the statement whether it was targeted by a missile or a drone, but what it does say is that at least one worker has been killed and there has been significant material damage to that building.
Kuwait nama an spokesperson chuanin drone nge missile ani ti chu soi chuang lawa ma sa ke chu missile ani ka ringa achan chu drone chu ni se chu lo intercept ve mai lo mo tro air defense system ani ve don thawa Kuwait te po hian drone te chu ni sen intercept in ka ring achan chu missile lang te thok chak vut khan ni ve lawa baka building a chena sa hle ti chuanin drone chuanin building chu ti cheve thei thawanga amaro chu a chena sa hle an tia chu wang chuanin building na sa taka ti che thei tur chu Kuwait spokesperson lampang hianin drone nge missile ani ti chu soilo ma se building na sa taka ti che thei tur chu ki chu drone ani ka ring jok missile ani ka ring jok drone ai chuan ka ba han trong sul ngun va ha video chu la.
Authorities now trying to secure that area and deal with the aftermath. Now, Kuwait has been one of those countries alongside Bahrain and Jordan that really has been relentlessly targeted by the Iranians over the past 2 weeks.
Adikalom tun kar ni kal ta chung han Kuwait Bahrain le Kuwait
really has been
Jordan Kuwait Bahrain le Jordan te hi Iran lampang hianin abe na sa khop mai ne achan chu United States sipai te khan om ve miu boxia Muslim rame ti lo chu no Iran lampang hianin kher vak lo kha lampang kha han Muslim puiti ve khamo be hek mai ne United States sipai Iran ngai dana chuanin nangma ni chuanin direct chuan miron dolo amaro chu in ram kha kan ram mel ma United States te na an man tang kai thei tu le ke mani min be na ta na in man ti rawangin ke mani mi ron be yang in ti hi Iran ngai da na ni chu wang chuanin Kuwait Bahrain le Jordan te hi be kheng mai ni Iran hianin ka video masala ma po kan ron react to kha nimin lama khanin Iran lampangin Jordan na United States sipai mun pui sipai te kha missile mga ka atumani be atumani amaro chu missile zong kha an intercept ka missile pali le ni le halin ka sia an intercept ka Jordan a khan chonin video masala ma kan react ang khan United States te chonin phuba an lata ani khati lom zia ni Iran lampang he an sang an shat mo.
It is targeting US military assets in those countries, but certainly Kuwait has pushed back on that and has accused Iran of targeting civilians and civilian infrastructure. Now,
Kuwait lampang chuanin kan rama hianin inia United States sipai mun te chu om ve mai United States military base te po amaro chu Iran lampang hianin kha chau kha an ron target lawa civilian infrastructure te po hi an ron target tel ani te in Kuwait hi chu atong chuak na save ani tuna Iran chet dan vela hian mo.
This attack on Kuwait comes just hours after Jordan's army said that it had intercepted and destroyed 5 missiles in its airspace that had been launched from Iran. It's still confirming no casualties, but it says it's on.
Jordan lampang chuanin Iran atangin missile pangan ron kapani tukalo intercept vekani antia khatianga an puan nu luka khanin hetiang hianin Kuwait drama hian thi da thleng le ta ni Iran ho chu United States te nen thatakin an in dor hle moti lain tiang hian in lo chewak maya ben shepla kan ni mo.
Forces remain on high alert and are ready to defend the country's sovereignty and the safety of its citizens. Now, in this region, there is concern that there is the potential for this conflict to broaden and to drag other countries into it, particularly because on Wednesday, Saudi Arabia's eastern province was attacked. That's where a lot of its oil facilities are based. And in retaliation for that attack, Saudi Arabia and the US launched coordinated strikes on what it said were Iran-backed groups.
Hey, thile hi tun tuna hey an hanin ka vel hi hey hi tlema an han ngai venthar le deuh hlek le tlema an hlau thon de chu ram tam jok hey no na hianin nulu thein an om don ti hi an rin dan ani a chan chu Saudi Arabia hi Houthis Iran hel khoi te hianin an lo be vesek boxia chu wan chuanin Saudi Arabia le US tang kop hian Iraq rama Houthis ni lo Iraq rama Iran hel khoi te kha an han be ya khata khanin Iran hel khoi mi som ni velan thi tin report om bokani kha Iraq rama tangin Saudi Arabia an ron be chuanin heta achim lama Saudi Arabia chim lama Yemena Houthis omte Iran hel khoi tho te khan khanin Saudi Arabia an lo be bok chu wang chuanin hetiang ani chuanin tun tum an hanin ka velan ngai dana chuanin ram tam zo he indona hianin nu lu ani mayang a ti hlo thon na hi a om ve ani tu na hian he chu hriat thiam khop mai mo
inside Iraq. So certainly GCC countries want to avoid any escalation and are working hard, we're told, behind the scenes.
Midili saram tam tak te chuanin hetianga boruak an so san je le hi than ti lawa hi an du lawa amaro chu enganga tha ti lo le du lo po ni se an avoid thei hian in a rin nom lawa ne an paltang an ton ve nge ngai don he thi le hi chu
to try and de-escalate and try and bring these two sides back together to talk and try and find some kind of peaceful solution forward.
Kha tuna breaking news kan ron riek le thei chu nia Iran lampang po an chet film khurve deu chu anga amaro chu indona zonin engkim thil zong a calculate fu vek thei do lo te kha chu chianga hei an thian te an partner te an thian tha mai China te building Kuwait rama hianin Iran lampang hianin lo bei ringot a Thawktu po hi Chinese company ani Chinese building ani chuani a Thawktu po hi local nge ni anga Chinese ni ti te po hi zona te po om thei ani mo chu wa chuanin Iran lampang po hi China nen hianin kar hi engamoni chu a om ve pal mai thei ani a om lawang ti chu soi thei bik lawa a omang ti po soi thei bik zo lawa amaro chu a om ve pal thei mo anin thian that na te po kha he tiang level om thin kha he tiang level te ba ron ni ve dei thei tho ni ate kha thil om je ani tun trum in do hi mo chuan Iran hi hey thil soi pui tla kan ni lo mo chặt té té hanin đó là thiếu soi bụi lạc anh hi lo chân chú đi lần xiêm đủ tắc tắc lo chiang tổ hay hi chú bị bóp mấy chứ nè Iran hi mi sinh chú nè xem mà tục khum mà hay tên spin bóp mấy là tiếng mày hả cha cũng khóc mày